Hey, are you ready to supercharge your print business with the power of AI? Then say goodbye to tedious manual updates. We know that creating product titles, descriptions, and product images can drain your time. But now, with the latest update of OnPrintShop version 11.2, you cut through the clutter. OnPrintShop is now equipped with generative AI integration, empowering print service providers like you to automate product content creation by helping you create SEO-friendly content instantly. You can also create product images by just specifying the product photos, its type, background color, and our AI assistant will provide high-quality results in seconds. So get ready to experience 50% boost in your efficiency and watch your print business reach new heights. Moreover, this is just the beginning of OnPrintShop's AI journey. Be among the first to experience this cutting-edge tech live at Printing United Expo 2024. Don't miss out. See it in action at booth C719.